Hello friends, welcome back. It's Deenice and it is so nice to see you here. Today we're going to do something fun together, and can you guess where I am? What room is this? Yes, it's the kitchen, and we're about to do some baking. Easy peasy baking. I found this recipe called Grandma's Cranberry-Almond No-bake Energy Bars. Yay! And it only calls for 7 ingredients. Yep, 7. Hi, buddy. Yeah, I've got my friend helping me. 7 ingredients, like 7 days of the week. Let me read the ingredients to you. You have rolled oats. You have peanut butter, almonds, cranberries, honey, salt, and chia. Chia. Or you can use flax seeds. Yeah, that gives it that bit of energy. So I put them all in little plates so that we can begin. The bowls are ready, and all I have to do is dump them in this large bowl. All right, are you ready? Now, before we begin, what must we do? Before we touch our food, we must always wash our hands. So I'm going over to my convenient nearby sink with soap, and you know you must use soap to get rid of the germs. And we're going to do an experiment on why soap really gets the germs off the dirt, off your fingers and hands. Okay, here we go. Ready? So the first thing I said was the oats. That's in oatmeal, and it calls for 3/4 of a cup. Already measured, pour in. Whee! Dried oats, love it. Then the next thing will be the chia seeds. Are you ready? The chia seeds, here we go, already measured. And the chia seeds is 1 tablespoon. I'll write the ingredients in the description. Okay. What's number 3? Number 3 is the sliced almonds. Love that. How many? 1/3 of a cup of the sliced almonds. All sliced up, looking so pretty. And then comes the honey. 2 tablespoons. Where's my tablespoon? Here's my tablespoon. Where's my honey? Here's my honey. And I'm going to pour it in. Watch. Oh, nice and slow. Squeeze. Get it out. How many tablespoons did I say? Who's listening? 1. Come on, come on, come on. It's very sticky, very slow. 1 more. Take your time. Woo! Take your time. Ooh, that smells so good. Stick it in there. Yes, come on, get in there. Do a little knocking. If we add a little too much honey, it's okay, because the sweeter the better. And honey is always so good for you. Then after the honey comes salt. Okay. Take your salt, and I need 1/8 of a teaspoon. Oh, this is so tiny. Have you ever seen such a tiny measuring spoon? And here we go, just a pinch. Oh, not too much. Not too much. Yeah, you can eyeball it too sometimes. And 1 more. Oh no, 2 more. These are the cranberries. That's why it's called Cranberry-Almond Energy Bars. And the cranberries, we need 1/3 of a cup. Perfect. And the 7th ingredient is the peanut butter. Okay, we're going to use peanut butter. Now, if you are allergic to peanut butter, your alternatives are sunflower butter. What else, Mimi?
Cashew butter.
Cashew butter. Yeah.
There's all kinds of different butters you can
Yeah,
use.
yeah. So, those of us who are allergic, you have other substitutes to use besides the peanut butter. And that should do it for all the 7 ingredients. Are you ready? Now we mix into the bowl. And what you want to do is really spread out the peanut butter so that it mixes fully with all of the oats and the chia and the cranberries and the sliced almonds. Ooh. Okay. I'll continue to do this, and then we'll turn them into little, about 1 tablespoon size balls. They're going to make 12 of them, and then we're going to put them on a plate and cover them, put them in the refrigerator, and in no time we'll get to enjoy these energy bars all together. I'm rolling a 1 tablespoon little ball. It kind of reminds me of one of those Dunkin' Donut little munchkins. And I've got this handy device which is really helping me out to make a perfect round size 1 tablespoon ball. And I'm going to end up having 12 of them. So the directions say, the recipe will say 12 yummy energy balls. It's a great handy kitchen device. Okay, got a little more ingredients to turn into little bite-size 1 tablespoon. Okay, if you don't have one of these handy gadgets, you know you can always use your hands. Just grab it, smush it up, kind of like your Play-Doh. Smush it up, make it look like a ball. It does not need to be perfect. When we've made 12 of these, we're going to wrap it up in the plastic wrap, cover it, and we're going to place it in the refrigerator for, and it says in the refrigerator for only 30 minutes, half an hour, 30 minutes, and then serve. I can't wait. I hope you like this. I hope you learned a little something about how to put together a recipe, and I will see you real soon. You know what to do. Subscribe, like, and share. And I am so glad you could share this time with me. Deenice says, do something nice for someone today. Enjoy. Deenice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.